To set up processing for the Stripe credit card processor, do the following. First, go to the Email More Other tab and press Credit Card Setup. Then select the Stripe radio button here, and then select the Stripe tab here. Here you'll enter in the live secret key into this value here. If you're looking at your Stripe account, it's located underneath the account settings and then under the API key. And then you'll take this value here, the live secret key. Once that's done, you can begin to charge your accounts. Go back to BILLMASTER, select the accounts you wish to charge. I'll select a few here. And then hit Payments, Transaction Payments, and hit this green button, Credit Card Payment. Then the accounts will come up one at a time. Notice the first account that I've selected has said that the information is already on the Stripe server. You can store the information securely on the Stripe server for any of your customers. In this case, we'll just simply continue with the charge of $10. Then I press Step 1 button here. It's asking me if it's correct because the balance is 0 on the account, but I'm going to proceed anyway. That charge succeeded, and it's added the payment to the transaction file in BILLMASTER. Now the next account comes up. I have the opportunity to create a payment account right now if I wish to. Let's do that. I'll enter in the card number information, the expiration date, and the security code. Then I'll go to the Create Payment Account tab and press the green button. The account has now been created. No longer do I need to put in the card information. I can just go back to Credit Card Sale and again enter in the value and press Step 1. And that's it. It's in there. And then it goes on to the next customer and so on. I'll skip those for now. If we look back into the transaction file for those customers, you can see that these are the transactions and how they're recorded with the account number masked out. Now, if you switch back to your Stripe account that's online, you'll be able to see the values for what we just entered. If I go to Payments, you can see that these are the payments that we just entered. In terms of the customers, notice the new account has been added to the list here, the John Anderson account. So these are the customers. Again, the payments. I'm in a test mode, so I'm in the test part of the system, but it would appear the same way on your live system. So thank you for using BILLMASTER. Easy to make charges and payments there. If you wish to put it onto an account page, the only way that you can do it right now is if, I'll show you the example. This code here where it says Pay with Card, this is what would come up on the customer. You have to include some code on your website in order for a payment screen to come up. But unfortunately, the pay button has to be a dedicated amount. So we'll have to research further to see how to get different payment amounts to appear on your website. And again, basically just set up the Stripe information and then select the accounts with the credit card payment. Thank you for using BILLMASTER.